Hello kids, today we will learn a new sound. It's sound, so let's start. In this video we will learn formation action for sound. We will listen to a song, we will learn some words for sound, and then we will do some activities together. So let's start. Let's do the action together. Pretend to be a puppy pulling a rag and shake your head from side to side, saying "rrr." Now let's write sound. Put your finger up and say down, up, and dip. And now sing with the song and do the action.
See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
Now let's learn some words for sound together. We have robot, robot, run, run, rose, rose, rat, rat, ring, ring, rain, rain, rocket, rocket, rhino, rhino. Now it's activity time, so let's start. Listen to the story and try to remember sound words.
Robert's family has a playful new puppy, but they cannot decide what to call him. Rocky, Rebel, or Rover. It is raining, so the puppy follows Robert up to his bedroom to play. The puppy sniffs around the room and finds a racing car, a rocket, some roller skates, a toy rabbit, and a rocking horse. Then he goes under the bed and pulls out an old blanket. He grips the blanket in his teeth and shakes it from side to side. Roar, roar. Robert tries to take it away, but the puppy hangs on tightly until the blanket rips into rags. "Oh no," says Robert, holding the blanket up. "Well, I know what to call you now." And from that day on, the puppy is known as Rags.
Now say the sounds and try to read the words.
Rip. Rat. Rent. Risk. Rest. Rack.
Click the pictures that begin with sound. We have rainbow, rainbow, rat, rat, robot, robot, ring, ring, red, red, rabbit, rabbit. And this is the end of our video. Thank you.